from the average Joe, we have a beauty box from Target. These are $7.99 shipped free. And we're going to find out what's in the beauty box. This is a May beauty box. So we shall open this. Don't know what's in this yet. And let's see. It says, hello, indulgence. If you're like most women, you juggle a ton, which is why you deserve to feel absolutely spoiled. Inside the box, you'll find a few of our faves that we feel will make you feel pampered, appreciated, and loved. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find out full-size versions at Target.com Beauty Box. And usually it comes with coupons as well. So let's see. Okay.
No coupons this time.
No coupons. Oh, maybe on the bottom. Maybe on the bottom.
We'll see. What do we got?
All right. So the first thing we got is the box back there. We have lavender amber, refreshing mint, free of, I don't know what that says. Free of something. I can't see. You can't read it either?
Lavender.
Sorry.
Lavender amber refreshing mist with essential oils. Proudly free of, I don't know, it says piranha. I'm not sure.
All right. So it's free of something. You want to read it too? Let's see.
Yeah, okay. So we can't read the bottle.
So we can't read the bottle, but
we're a bunch of blind people here.
Apparently so, but it's refreshing. Is it a drink?
Free of something. So it doesn't have whatever something that you're not supposed to have.
But what is it? Is it body spray?
Yes, it looks like it's body spray.
Okay.
A body. Oh, no, that's by body. Let's see. We'll spray it and smell. Yes, it is a body spray, perfumey. Very nice.
Yeah, smell it over here.
Yeah, very nice. All right, so that is a lavender flavor, lavender amber.
Okay.
All right, what else we got in the box? The box is, oh boy, you know, I love it when they put it in French.
Well, that must mean it's high quality when it's French.
It must be. Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream.
Moisturizer.
Yes, so let's see what's in the box. And again, this is the May Beauty Box. So, it's a little tube of, must be body balm.
It's moisturizer. Facial moisturizer.
Yep. Facial moisturizer. So I'll have to try that out. Next thing. St. Ives Cleansing Stick. With cactus, water, and hibiscus.
Well, cactus
so there's the
kinda scares
cactus
me.
and there's the hibiscus. So cactus water, let's see what it looks like inside. Well, let's take that off. How do you get that off?
Pull it off.
Well, usually they have a
Rotate.
tab.
Can you rotate the bottom to pop it off?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try. There it goes. Okay, so it looks like some kind of scrubby stick. So we'll take that back in, put the cover back on. We don't need that. Just put that back on. All right, so that's a cleansing stick.
The cactus would hurt if you're rubbing that on.
It would. And the next thing out of the box is Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. Everybody should use their sunscreen. It's Neutrogena.
Who's Gina?
SPF 55. Neutrogena.
Oh, Neutrogena. I thought it was Neutrogena.
Neutra is her first name. Gina's her last name.
Sorry.
Neutrogena. All right. So, with Heloplex.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it says.
It's for the aviation
So
industry?
it's lightweight and clean. All right, so we'll put that to the side. Got a little pile of stuff there. See what else is in the box. And they're just the right sizes to try out the product. The scrub of your life. Soap and cleaning. So, soap and glory. Let's see what that smells like.
This is some weird name stuff you got.
It is. Oh, it's like a gel.
Yeah, it is a gel.
It's a gel.
Mm-hmm. And what is it used for?
Not sure yet. Here, there it
Yeah,
is.
it used successfully.
Okay.
Yes.
It is
It's scrub.
to scrub your face, I would assume.
It's facial scrub. Yep.
Hello? Hello? Oh, and what are these? These are scrunchies. Spiral scrunchies. Well, that's pretty cool to get in a beauty box. So there's three different colors. I've never used these, but it says no damage scrunchies. So won't pull your hair out. And these are by Scrunchie. And very cool. If you have long hair, always use scrunchies. Coconut oil. Coconut Miracle Oil. It is a dry shampoo. Indulge in this island scented infused with coconut oil, essence of Terrier.
Terrier?
T-I-A-R-E. Terrier.
I don't know. I thought you said this is of a dog.
And vanilla bean extract. I don't know how do you pronounce it. So this is extra strength. I don't know. This is for when your hair is very dirty. Extra strength. All right, and this is by OGX.
Okay.
OGX. So I haven't tried. I got another spray in the beauty box, and I did not try that. So I have all that, and we're at the bottom of our beauty box.
Yeah,
and
no
there's
coupons this time.
Coupons in it this time. I wonder. That's kind of strange. It's either missing or they didn't give them this month. But that's the beauty box for May.
Yep.
It's one of them anyway. And they're nice size samples. I've gotten them before. I do use the product because it's nice to have little, and especially nice if you're traveling, you can take something with you. So that's the end of that beauty box, and we'll do another beauty box in the future. Have a good day, guys, and if you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.